Hey, what's up guys? I got something special to show you guys. We just came from the sign shop, but stay tuned right after this. What's up guys? We are back, and I definitely have a surprise I want to show you guys. Just got this done, um, and I couldn't hold off any longer. I know I had to show my viewers. I love to show things that help other people, make people grow. But let's get right to it. While you guys are watching, if you can go ahead and like the channel and subscribe, share. If you have any questions after the video, please leave a comment below. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's ease into it here. So I'm gonna back up. Guys, finally got a brand new sign for my trailer there. I gotta say, I'm very pleased. I'm very excited as well to see what the future holds for the company. But yeah, guys, just got this done. Wonderful sign. Let's go around to the sides. I got one in the back, and I got one for each side. So if you guys want to see the one on the side, there it is. I gotta mount it. I'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see how I got it mounted. And what I'm thinking about doing is thinking about notching these bolts off or adding something to the back to keep people from getting injured, or keep myself from getting injured. But I'm definitely pleased with what the shop did. By the way, the name of the shop is called Patriot Signs. Patriot Signs in Fayetteville, North Carolina, guys. Patriot Signs, Fayetteville, North Carolina. They did an awesome job. Awesome job. I'll get closer, you guys can see how I have it mounted. What I did is got some, went to the hardware store, got some bolts, got some lock nuts, got washers on both sides. And that's pretty much it. The holes were already pre-drilled from the old sign that the previous owner had on there. So I said, why not use the same signs instead of cutting more holes into my frame? You know, that wouldn't make any sense. In a way, I kind of do wish it was a little bit wider. I figured the bigger the better, but I guess, you know, something's better than nothing. I'm blessed to have this. But maybe one day I'd like to extend this so it can I can use up that whole area, you know, optimize my room there for advertisement so I can show more. But yeah, that's it. But we'll see what happens for the upcoming season. I'm definitely excited to tell you guys that I've been picking up clients over this small winter break that we had so far. Everything's winding down, but I think I picked up about maybe 3 seasonal clients, or 3 seasonal customers for the upcoming season. You know. Now remember, guys, I'm part-time because I'm also in Sand Hills Community College for landscaping, an associate's degree. So I do this part-time. So I only take on what I know I can handle. Most of my properties are small to medium sized properties. There's the old husk. I'm supposed to turn this in and get it serviced in in a couple of weeks here. We're gonna go ahead and get the hydraulics, the hydros service. Go ahead and get the unit itself, its scheduled service. Make sure we get the oil changed out, all fluids changed out. Make sure the hydros get readjusted, steering gets readjusted. Check out the belts, check out the blades. Well, the blades are brand new. I got Morton blades under there, or Gator blades if you will. Recheck the tire pressure. Some of the stuff I kind of do on my own, but you know, it feels real good to kind of put it in the shop and I have that valuable time with my family. I think time means more than anything to me. If I can spend more time with the family, you know, why not put the equipment in the shop and let them handle it for you? One thing I didn't get last time, or didn't catch footage of last time, was my edger and my trimmer. If you guys wanted to see what kind of edger and trimmer I'm using, well, it's just a regular cheapo Troy Bilt. See if I can get around here. You can see it a little bit. 2-cycle. It's a TB35 EC. This power head has a little bit more power than this one up here. And this one is a, let's see what we get. Let me make sure I'm giving you guys the right nomenclature. TB32 EC. So that's a smaller head, but both of these work phenomenal. I always say it, guys. If you take care of your equipment, keep up with the maintenance on your equipment, it'll last for a good period of time. The most I ever had to do to these was pretty much just change out the fuel. I take it in, get it serviced, and that's it. You know, the most you want to be worried about when you get on a property is that your equipment, having that sound, a good sound mind that your equipment's going to work for you. That's what you want. And these have never let me down. You know, I don't have any special equipment like steel, which I love, or Echo. I used to have a Echo residential style trimmer, a curve head, and that thing was a beast. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna go with. Red mats, what's that, Sharana, if I pronounced that right, or steel. But I think I'm looking more towards Echo when I decide to upgrade. One thing I do need to do is get a rack system for my blower in fuel cans, so I can start freeing up space in all my storage areas, like the back of the truck and the trailer. But yep, I see some of the fuel cans you guys are using out there. The new ones, is that Sure Fuel, something like that. I don't know. You guys help me out. But yeah, I am looking at getting another machine. I'd like to get a 36-inch cut. You guys got any recommendations on 36 inches? Please drop a comment below. Trying to debate on which brand I'm going to go with. Here locally we have Gravely, Skag. We have Husqvarna, obviously, but their stand-on mower is a little bit too big for the gates I need to get in the back of. And I would really love to get a 36. Plus I love the way a 36 lays down stripes. They cut pretty good. It's, you know, some of them cut a little bit better than the 48s and the 52s. And because if I get that 36, you know, that eliminate this bad boy right here, so to say. But I'm not going to get rid of it. And I'll definitely look at getting a walk behind at some point to knock out the heels. But yeah, but that's what I want to show you guys. There are some new signs. If you guys got any questions about these signs, make sure you leave a comment below. I'll make sure that I leave the dimensions for these particular signs, just in case there's somebody out there that has a trailer similar to mine with the same dimensions. I'll leave the dimensions for the big one and the dimensions for the sides. Both of my sides are the same dimension. But yeah, here's the other one. But yeah, guys. Hey, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and hope you guys have a wonderful, happy New Year's. And I'll see you guys soon or in the upcoming season.